Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a quadratic equation, and without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. Now remember, there are two ways we could do a question like this. We could either use our quadratic formula, which is quite tiresome. We could also look to see if there's any factorizing that we can do, and then solve it that way. So I'm going to look for any factorizing, and if there isn't any factorizing, then we're going to use our quadratic formula. So let's have a look here. We've got a clear trinomial. We've got three terms and we've got an x squared. So we're going to use some sort of trinomial factorizing. So when we factorize a trinomial, we open up two brackets and we're going to equal 0. Now, we're going to square root the first term. And we're going to put that in both brackets. Then we need to look at this sign. This sign is a negative, which means automatically there's going to be a plus and a minus in both of our brackets. Now, because this is a negative, the bigger number that we come up with next is going to go into the negative bracket, and the smaller number is going to go into our positive bracket. Now, we need to find two numbers that multiply to 6, but subtract to 5. Now, we could have 2 and 3 is 6, but 3 minus 2 is 1, so that doesn't work. We also have 6 and 1, so 6 times 1 is 6. And 6 minus 1 is 5, so that's perfect. Our bigger number goes in our negative bracket, and our smaller number goes in our positive bracket. That means for this equation to be true, either this bracket equals 0, because if this is 0 times anything here will give us 0, or this bracket is 0, which means if this isn't 0, but this is 0, the equation still holds. So this is where you say, therefore, either x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 6 equals 0. Therefore, that means x could equal minus 1 or x could equal 6. And that is as simple as that. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read more about them in the description below. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.